Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is May. I like to do videos on luxury goods, cooking, makeup, even vlogs, and I would love if you would take 5 seconds to subscribe and join my YouTube family. For those of you who are returning, welcome back and thanks for joining me. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a collective haul of luxury items that I've gotten recently. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys and kind of give you my thoughts. Some of them I have used, so I'll give you like my first impressions, but I'm really excited to share a couple of these items with you. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so the first item that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is an item that I bought at Nordstrom's. And it is actually from Gucci. So this is what the box looks like. I feel like it's a very pretty floral box. It is very, very sturdy. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys. Okay. First thing we have are 2 dust bags. Both of them just say Gucci. Okay, and then inside are these slides. And this is what they look like. I have worn these and I must say they are super, super comfortable. I was kind of hesitant to buy them. I had my eye on them for a while, but some people said that they would tear up their feet, and really, I've already worn them and I love them. I feel like they are worth every penny. I do love the floral print with the GG on it. They also do say Gucci on the side here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. They are a very soft material and they are very light. I honestly really, really like these, and these are in the size 36 and they fit perfectly. So normally in US size, I wear anything from 5.5 to 6, and I went for a 36 in these slides just for reference. Now, price-wise, they were $310, and after taxes, they were $331 with 24 cents, just for those of you who care to know. The next 2 items are Chanel, and the first thing that I got over there is the Soleil Tan de Chanel, and this is what that looks like. The packaging I feel is super pretty, and I have used it, and it is very, very creamy, and it smells so, so good. Now for a cream contour, I feel like it's a little pricey, but I've used it quite a bit and it really hasn't worn down too much. So I feel like you do get a good amount of product for the price. The second item is the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel perfume, and my husband actually got this for me. I previously had it and it ran out and he rebought it for me. This is a perfume that I actually wore to my wedding, so every time that I smell it, I swear, it reminds me of my wedding day. If I can, I'll go ahead and insert a picture of my wedding. I actually got married in the beach, and just to smell it reminds me and brings me to that moment. So I love that, and I've been using it. And they did throw in like some samples, and let me get those for you guys. So they gave me the Coco Mademoiselle 2 little ones, and they also gave me some blue eye serum and then some lifting serum, and I haven't tried those, but I will be trying those. So that's what I got from Chanel. Alright, and now last but not least is this Louis Vuitton item. I've actually had this particular SLG for months now. I just have not used it or unboxed it for you guys. I was waiting to get more items so I could do a kind of a little haul. I felt like a full video for a small SLG like this would be too much. First off, it does have the holiday ribbon on there, which I feel is super pretty. Let's go ahead and open it. And inside is the cute little dust bag. Now, I had to reach out to one of my essays to get this item. And here it is. It's the small luggage tag, and I did get my initial on there. It's the smaller size, and I just feel like it is so stinking cute. I ended up getting this small luggage tag because I feel like it's such a cute little bag charm. I do want to go ahead and put it on my Speedy 25 bandolier. So instead of this poof ball, I feel like this is going to be super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on for you guys so we can see what it looks like. Alright guys, so that's what the little bag charm looks like on. So that concludes my video for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!